Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys. And if you guys have problems with your ABS or traction control guys, let's say you have brake light, ABS light, traction control light, we'll explain guys where to find the fuses for the module, the pump and all that stuff. You guys have I think like 4 fuses for the ABS and traction control, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys if you have any questions. We'll have videos for programming, removing, replacing modules and all that stuff. So let's start on it now. So first we need to open the hood of that Lincoln MKX, and right here guys, next to your car battery is where your fuse box is located. You have one inside, but this is the one that we'll need now. There is one clip here that you push back and then you pull up and it comes out. That lid guys, you can pull it out, okay, by twisting, and you will come out of the hinge on both sides. Now, a few fuses guys that we're looking at now. The first fuse guys, okay, will be fuse number, will be fuse number 15. And you can see on the fuse box you have the different fuse numbers, but it doesn't say what they are. So the first fuse guys, okay, will be fuse number 15, will be, this one will be guys for the ABS pump motor, okay, this one right here. And usually guys, you grab those and pull them out. If you need replacement fuses, we have the link in the description of the video below guys to see where you can get some for a good price. So, okay, I just grab it and pull it out and drop it. So I'll go ahead and grab it quick. So this is guys the first fuse. Okay, we removed it after a little bit of time losing here around the air filter box, so be careful guys. Now how I test those, usually guys you can tell if it's burnt or not by looking at the element inside guys, and usually you can tell. Okay, but this one doesn't look burnt, but I'll just show you quick how you can test them guys with a voltmeter. And if you're guys on the market for a really good quality voltmeter guys, consider this one. Okay, this thing is amazing guys. Okay, it's super good voltmeter. It comes with a true RMS. Link will be in the description of the video below. So I set it to read ohms, then I click select to test connections or fuses, and now if I click each of the ends, okay, it's going to tell me, okay, if it beeps and says 0, fuse is good, okay, and if it doesn't, okay, it's not a good fuse. Definitely good fuse. If it's bad, it will be like there will be no communication between the two poles, okay, like that one. Links guys for the replacement fuses that we use will be in the description of the video below, so please do check it out. Now another fuse guys that is for the ABS and traction control guys, okay. We have 3 more to go. You have for the ABS run and start, and this one guys, it's fuse number 50, okay, fuse number 50, that little guy right there. That's the fuse guys that we had to we have to replace in our case. This one right here, fuse number 50, okay, it's a 10 amp fuse as you can see, okay. And this fuse box guys, okay, we'll have the links again in the description of the video below. You get the whole box with like 100 and something pieces with a free fuse puller for a really cheap price guys. So what I like that you have a fuse puller that you just grab the fuse with, okay, and you can pull it out. It is very limited room there, so you have to be a little bit more persistent because the relay is next to it. And this fuse guys burnt, so I'll get a new one, okay, and just install it. Perfect. Now what other fuses that we have here guys? We have one more guys, okay, and the one that I'm talking about now guys, okay, we covered that one. We have number 57, okay. Number 57 guys is for the anti-lock brake system valves. Okay, this is number 57 right here, and it's this fuse over there. And as you can see, most of those you can tell if they're burnt or not, but just by looking at it, so we don't even need to remove it. But if you're in doubt guys, always test them with a voltmeter because it will tell you for sure guys if you have problems or if everything is good. That way, okay, that way you will know guys for sure if you have to do anything. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful guys to any of you having problems with your ABS or traction control. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.